my friends. I recently was asked for an acrylic paint pour that has cracked or crazed. Can you use sandpaper to fix it? And in my experience, the answer is no. Acrylic paint is plastic base. So if you're taking sandpaper to something that is plastic, you are just scratching it, essentially. So if you wanted to try a distressed look to your piece, take this sandpaper, scratch it, then take the acrylic paint, the color that you used, water it down, take a little bit of paint, throw some water in it, mix it, and then do a wash over it. See if that paint grabs that color. Or the scratches, see if the scratches grab the color. And then you'll see a distressed look. Or, maybe take a black, water it down, do a little black wash over that area. Definitely try this on a practice piece, not something you spent hours doing, to see what the look is. Also, one of my pieces that cracked, it was probably 5-6 years ago. It's hanging in my office and I look at it every day, and it was one of my first cloud pours and I loved it. It cracked so heavily, I'll show you in a second, that I was like, I cried. I was so sad. But then I'm like, what can I do to still save this? And I'll show you. Hopefully you can see this. I put glitter glue in the cracks of this piece. And I went ahead and I just did it over the entire piece so that it looks like a geode. Sorry, using my front camera for this. Hopefully you can see it. But yeah, I just filled it in. The glitter glue, when it dries, it's heavy, but it dries flat. So I got all this extra sparkle and sheen, and it looks like a geode, and it's one of my favorite pieces. I may never give it up. So that is just another idea what you can do with something that's cracked or crazed. And if you want more information, I'll put the link in this video. I have on my website, paintpouracademy.com. I have a blog post on it, and I have a YouTube video explaining what is cracking and crazing. How can I prevent it in the future? And it might astound you some of the factors that go in place here. Weather, humidity, that takes an account for it, how much paint you leave on the surface, all that stuff. So I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments below what you've done to help save your cracked and crazed pieces, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!